for this next event, the Sledgehammer and I are going to ride the team swing. We have our team of Sledgehammer and I and these participants and the Durango over there. I think they're calling me fat, or they're calling the Sledgehammer fat, because they're bringing out a truck to pull us up. Anyhow, we're going ahead and get hooked in, and it's okay, Sledgehammer, it'll be okay. You wanted to do this. No, it's okay, just be happy, keep your flags high. Anyhow, apparently he's a little nervous, but that's okay, because we're going to try the team swing. Well, we're all hooked up, the Sledgehammer and I, so I guess, take us up, Ricky. We'll give him the signal when we get to the top. See if we can ride this bike up a hill. Sledgehammer, I guess this is it. You ready? I think it's ready. Woo! Yeah! Whoa! You having fun, Mr. Sledgehammer? Yeah! Woo! Hey there, Jed! Whoa! Sledgehammer, I didn't know you had this in you. Whoa! Can you go upside down, Mr. Sledgehammer? Woo! Woo! How about, yeah! Woo! Surf's up, Mr. Sledgehammer! Woo! Alright, let's see. See what else can you do? Can you do, let's see, what's 360 times 4? I don't know, but I bet you can do it. Let's do it, Mr. Sledgehammer, do it! Do it! Mr. Sledgehammer, you got, come on, Mr. Sledgehammer, do it! Do it for real! Do it for real! Mr. Cameraman, can you help us do a big circle? Woo! That's one! Come on, Mr. Sledgehammer. Oh, only one! 360! Whoa! Whoa! That's two. That'd be a 720. Come on. Do it again. Oh, we're going the other way. Whoa, 1 and 2 and 3. We got 3. Oh, going on 4. Yeah, we got 4. Woo. Didn't know the Sledgehammer could do that. I am so dizzy. All right, Sledgehammer had a good time, so he wants to try this again. So we're going ahead and do it. Remember, Sledgehammer, don't touch the yellow rope. I know you're a little anxious. You're really excited, but just don't touch that yellow rope. Here we go. Ooh, going up. Mr. Sledgehammer? Sledgehammer, are you okay? Sledgehammer! Sledgehammer, come back! Come back, Sledgehammer! Sledgehammer, are you okay? Talk to me, Sledgehammer! Sledgehammer? Sledgehammer! I'm sorry! Sledgehammer! Sledgehammer! Oh, Sledgehammer! Sledgehammer! I need a medic! Medic! Oh, Sledgehammer, are you okay? Don't move it if it appears serious. Sledgehammer! Sledgehammer! Can you hear me? Can you hear me? He's not responding! Check for signs of breathing. Heartbeat.
Where's his heart?
I don't know if he has one.
Oh, that's
He's got to have a heart.
okay.
I don't hear anything.
Me either. Let's do CPR.
CPR.
Ready?
Where do we push?
You're doing mouth to mouth, buddy.
Okay, you do.
Okay.
I gotta find a breathing hole.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
Ready? They didn't go in.
What do we do?
Obstructed breathing. Obstructed breathing. We need a hard
We moved it.
blow. Hard blow to it. Ah! 2 hard blows. Okay.
Try it again.
Try again.
They
Didn't go in. No.
Do it again.
All right. 2 hard blows. Try again. I think they went in.
Okay.
Oh, his head's moving. Are you
He's
okay?
alive?
Are you okay?
Sledgehammer?
I think so. Good job.
Get him up the hill.
All right. So I'm really sorry about that sledgehammer.